AirPods Pro 3's Hey Siri feature relies on functioning microphones. Each earbud has two microphones for clear audio pickup. First, ensure nothing is blocking the microphones. Clean them gently with a soft cloth if needed to remove dust or debris. Next, verify Siri's language and region settings. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Siri, and Search. Ensure Siri is set to a supported language like English US. Some regional variations, such as French Canadian, may not fully support Siri functionality. Finally, confirm permissions are properly set. In Settings, Siri, and Search, make sure Siri, microphone, and Bluetooth access are enabled. If issues persist, toggle these permissions off and then back on to refresh the settings. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, reset your AirPods through Settings Bluetooth. Also, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, such as 18.2 or later, to address any software bugs. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider deeper issues. Update glitches can sometimes disable Hey Siri after iOS updates. Toggling Siri permissions and resetting network settings may resolve these. In rare cases, hardware malfunctions might be the cause. Apple's on-device AI enhancements in iOS 18 aim to improve Siri's accuracy, but mic permissions remain a weak link. Future iOS updates, like the rumored iOS 19, may introduce adaptive Siri tuning to reduce mic-related errors through machine learning. Regularly auditing mic permissions is crucial. Experts suggest that while hardware plays a role, software tweaks resolve 80% of Hey Siri issues. Keep an eye on future iOS releases for AI-driven improvements to Siri's performance on AirPods Pro 3.